Model: 2016 Renault Master medium wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive MM35 Energy dCi 135 business medium roof van. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 181,367. MOT: the 26th of October 2024. Engine: 2298 CCM 90 Energy 135 E5D. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Nice, simple, straightforward, bolt-on turbo replacement, repair needed, grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: part service history, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.